Morning guys, welcome back to another video. And today what have we got going on? Just a house slab. Just me and Leo today, two guys. Got the concrete pump all ready to go. It's about 7 o'clock on a Saturday morning. Should be able to get this in an hour. Pump's there, all the chairs, boards, everything's done. Should be a cruisy day, two of us. Should be finished around 11:30, 12. I think I can hear concrete coming as well. You can hear the trucks coming. Grey gold. All our height piers are in. Breeders are measured out. Gonna pour the first pad pier. Different, we only do like a house slab in 2 days, so 14 slab. But people over east and stuff, they do like waffle pods and all types of stuff. So different here. We just got really good sand and really good soil, so this is what our engineers want. This is what they get. Not using the big girl today.
Oh, we are.
I think this is what, a 3.6?
Yep.
3.6 screed. And then we have a, I think it's a 3 meter, which we always use. Use the big one for the big bays. I'll get the other GoPro and, huh?
I reckon it's going to take us about an hour.
An hour, you reckon? All right. 7 o'clock, 10 past 7, an hour, you reckons? All right. Oh, come on, he reckons. Depends on the guy on the rake, but we'll get this done. An hour, 1 hour. So 10 past 8, we've got to get it in. Oh, 7:40. Got 2 trucks in. Last truck's here, maybe a small plus. Jump on the bull float. Bull float all the top. So we got 16 cubic meters of concrete in within. It was exactly 1 hour, and we just got a call plus. So the last 2 cubic meters is coming. And now I'm just gonna jump in the wet area, set up the GoPro, and this is the bathroom. This is for the tiler. So we recessed it down about 30 to 40 mil. And then we have a shower. This is hobless as well. So we cut that down as well. And Leo's there chilling, relaxing. Smashed it out, 2 guys, 170 squares. Pump's just recycling, so pumping back into the hopper. If someone ordered the right quants, we'll be done by now. What time do you reckon we'll be home? 11:45. All right, Leo's calling it. 11:45, we're leaving here. That's how we get this done. Surely we can get it done 11:45. All right, jump on this wet area. That's right.
Where area is?
Alrighty, boards are off, wet areas are cut. First machine, gonna break it. Smashing it. So it's now 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. Boards all packed. Another hit at the back. I've hit it twice or maybe 3 times. Gonna break the front end. But yeah, 2 guys. Me and Leo started pouring at 7. 10:30. By 12:30 we are out of here, finished. It is 40 degrees today. It's pretty hot. But yeah. Looking good. All right, back on the time lapse. Woo! Alright, got Leo, last machine, last bit at the front. So 2 guys, got here at 6:30, done the levels, chaired up. It's now 6 minutes to 12 o'clock, 41 degrees here in Australia. And house lab done. I done that house over there just the day before Christmas. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I should try and post more. Just I need to find time, but I need to make time because I want to post at least a video a week or 2 a week. But if you guys like this content, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, woo, all done. All right, see you guys next video. Bye.